Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Isha Vinod Jain and this is probably gonna be my first ever video on YouTube. I'm really excited and looking forward to it. So you must have read the title, right? I'm styling this A-line dress in 5 ways. So without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. So this is the green bell sleeve dress that I'm going to style in 5 different ways. So let's begin. For the first outfit, I decided to go with the flat pants and I chose this black pants because black goes simply with anything and makes it look even classy. Next, I decided to accessorize with black neck piece and sling kinda clutch or clutch kinda sling, you can call it whatever you want. And lastly, I wore these block heels to pull the look together, and this is how I style my first outfit. For this look, I wanted to change the top part of the dress, so I decided to go with this staple white t-shirt. All I did is that I folded the sleeve of this t-shirt inwards and made it look like it doesn't have sleeves so that the sleeve of this dress can shine. And then I decided to go with this broad belt to hide the fact that I wore a t-shirt above the dress and make it look even more put together. Lastly, I accessorized this look with the black neck piece, the sling cum clutch and block heels. So you see how some staple pieces can help you create a whole new look. For the third outfit, I wanted something to enhance the bell sleeve of the dress, so I decided to go with the stripe wala top since it also has bell sleeves. And then I chose a white belt because the top that I chose has white stripes in it, so I thought it would look good together. And lastly, I decided to go with the black sling and heels so that the outfit looks complete. This one's my favorite look out of all the outfits since this outfit gives me boss babe vibes, all because of this blazer that I decided to go with. As this blazer was black in color, I decided to go with the black heels. I know I wore this block heels in every single outfit. This is the kind of importance such pieces hold. They simply go with every single outfit. Lastly, I chose this silver bag because with this outfit it was giving all statement vibes and making the look stand out. So yeah. For this last outfit, I wanted to do something with the neckline because this dress has a very simple one. So I chose this halter neck top which has some sequins on its neckline that makes the dress look even more prettier. Also, the length of the top is great as it's almost covering the entire dress. And then to make it look structured, I decided to go with a white belt. Lastly, I went with the same clutch and my favorite block heels to make this outfit look even prettier. So this was it for the video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below, and also follow me on Instagram. This is my ID, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.